Hello friends, welcome to today's live stream, and this live stream will be based on simplifications using algebra tricks. Why I am taking up this particular topic of algebra tricks? That is because PDF number 13 is here, all short tricks of algebra. That has been brought out today only, and an amazing PDF in which 20 to 30 short tricks of all algebraic concepts, how to remember the identities, and then linear equations, quadratic equations, all know what are the contents of that particular PDF. So in the meanwhile, those who are joining me today only, they are requested to be a part of the live stream every day at 8:15 p.m. normally, 8:15 to 8:30, that is the time I come live every day. So I'll write the first question on the board, and then we will talk about those PDFs of the channel. Okay, so this is question number 1 for today. So I'll give you a simplification problem first up, and then we will have algebra short tricks later on. Let's see. I'll give you a simplification problem of mixed fractions first. 3 1 by 3 minus 2 1 by 9 plus 7 2 by 3 minus 1 1 by 9 plus 3 2 by 9. Okay, so this is the simplification problem, the first question for today. I know most of my regular friends and subscribers, they were waiting for this live stream, but they have not clicked the like button till now. As I welcome Lakshay Hinks Ben. Okay, Hinks Ben. Hello to you, and I've seen you for the first time on the live stream, so I hope you have a good time today. Pooja Bhanu, welcome, and then Mishra ji, as always, he's there. Then Jana Harenja, okay, hello to you, and I've seen you for the first time, so big welcome to you on the channel. Then Hardik Narang, welcome to you too. So as I've given the first question on the board, you can just share the live link with your friends so that they can join in for this competitive session and compete against the best people, who are daily there on the channel. So Prakash Yadav, hello to you. And I hope you all have clicked the like button now, because I can see very less number of likes there. So it will take only 1-2 seconds for you to click the like button. Okay, so thanks Hardik Narang for that comment, and then Saba, welcome, and then Vikash, I've seen you for the first time, so big welcome to you too, and then Gopi Chandu and Happy Kitchen with Gitu. Okay, great. So I think you two have a channel on the YouTube. So some answers coming in. Minus 19 upon 9 is the answer I'm getting for this particular question, as I welcome Shweta Sangvi, Monsteroid, Aman Kumar on the channel. Then IIT JAM Maths by Vikas sir. Okay, Vikas, welcome on the channel. You were there yesterday also, I think. Princey, minus 53 by 9. Okay, so slightly different from others. Okay, so let's see the solution of this particular question. This is 9, 10. So 10 by 3 minus 18, 19. So 19 by 9. And then again minus. So 7 3 is 21, 23 by 3 So 3 terms, and then we have a negative here. So these both are negative, so they will become positive. 9 plus 1, 10. So 10 by 9. And 27, 29 by 9. So these are the terms now. And let's see. We can simplify this very easily. Just convert this into 9. And this is also converted into 9. So everything is 9 now in the denominator. This is 30 minus 19 minus 69 plus 10 plus 29. So we have 30, 59, 69. So 69 gets cancelled out. So minus 19 by 9 is the answer for this question. And that's the answer given by most of you there. So let's see who gave the first correct answer here. Minus 19 by 9 was the answer I was expecting, and that answer has come up very, very quickly. So let's announce the name of the people who got that one correct. The first person to give me the correct answer was Aman Kumar. Very well done, Aman Kumar. And so glad to have you on the channel today, and you were just very, very quick there. And then Gopi Chandu, you got it correct. The second person to give me the correct answer. So big thumbs up for you. And then Geetu got it correct. Then Monsteroid, Mistraji, Shweta Sangvi. So these were the 6 names who gave me the correct answer for that particular question. But all the same, very less number of answers coming up for that particular question. I don't know why these simplification problems, they get me very less number of answers. So I always get tempted to give you more questions of this kind so that you can practice more. So let's see the next one. This is question number 2 for today. So I'll be mixing some algebra tricks today, so you can answer those also. So you need to find the roots of So I'll give you a simple quadratic equation. This is 24x square plus 17x minus 20 equal to 0. Let's see, you can find the roots of this quadratic equation or not. And this is a simple quadratic equation, but all the same, you need to get the answer correct. As I welcome Ishita Gupta on the channel, followed by Learn Grammar for IELTS. Okay. Then Sahil Asif. So some new names joining in for the live stream today. Very, very heartening to see. I hope you have subscribed the channel and click the bell icon for getting the notifications. That is very important. And if you have not liked the video till now, you can just click that thumbs up on the video. So for this particular question, so all those who have joined in today only, I must tell you the details of the PDFs. We have paid PDFs on the channel, and about 13 PDFs now have been released, which cover approximately 70% of the quantitative aptitude portion of SSC, CGL, CHSL, RRB, NTPC exam. Everything will be covered in those PDFs. So you can see my WhatsApp number here, 9896369963, and my email ID also. So if you want a copy of those PDFs, you just need to send me a message on WhatsApp or email me on drsureshagarwal73@gmail.com. So I'll tell you the process of getting those PDFs. And today only I've released PDF number 13. So all those who have procured the first 12 PDFs, they can go in for this PDF number 13. This is all short tricks of algebra in a single PDF. So very, very amazing PDF, well compiled, exclusive collection of short tricks in algebra. So this is released today only. So my WhatsApp number is already there, 9896369963. All those who have joined in today only, they can send me a message on WhatsApp if you are preparing for any of the competitions. So some answers are coming in now. 5 by 8 and minus 4 by 3. I think that's the answer which I am getting. Kandim Parekh was very quick in that. And Aman Kumar also agreeing with that, followed by Princey, Mishraji, and slightly different answer by Geetu there. And then Monsteroid also telling me that the answer is same. So lot of answers coming in, and total agreement there. Very nice to see that. But I'll tell you a very short trick to solve this particular type of question now. When I solve it on the board, you will just see how this is going to benefit you. This short trick is very, very beneficial. Okay, so now let's see the answer for this one. So if you split the middle term of this one, we need two numbers whose sum is 17 and product is 480. So this is plus 32 and minus 15, because 32 into 15 is 480 and the difference between these two is 17. So now change the sign, minus 32 and plus 15, and now divide by the coefficient of x squared, divide by 24. So you will get your answers here. This is minus, okay, I'll strike off the common factor here, 8. So minus 4 by 3, and then strike off the common factor 3 here, you get 5 upon 8. Now I think that's the answer which all of you have told me, and you can see what is mentioned in PDF number 13. This is one of the tricks which is mentioned in PDF number 13. So if you study all the tricks in PDF number 13, obviously every problem of algebra, that comes in RRB exam, banking, even PO exams, then NTSC, CTET, CAT, MAT, all exams in which quantitative aptitude portion is there, that will be very, very easy for you. So a must acquire PDF number 13. My WhatsApp number is there. Okay, so let's see who gave the correct answer first up. And I know it's Kandim Parekh, because when I was just visualizing all the comments there, I saw Kandim coming up with the answer very, very quickly. And Aman Kumar, yes, you are there right on the top. Okay, then Princey, very well done. And then Mishra ji is always there. Mishra ji, you've been really good on the channel, and big thumbs up for you. And let's hope we have some more correct answers here. Okay, so I'll give you a question, of is you know. So I'll give you a question, of is simple concept, but all the same, lot of people make lot of mistakes in such questions. So let's hope you get it correct in the first attempt here. 7 by 2 divide by 7 by 2 in of 7 by 2 upon 7 by 2 divide by 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. Okay, so I need the answers for this one, and those who have seen my previous live streams, they will do it very quickly. So as I wait for some answers there, you can see some answers there. 1 by so many people, and then 49 by 4 also coming up from so many people there. So I just want you to stay tuned for this particular question. because this is one question which has got me so many different responses in previous time also. So let's hope that majority of you are correct here, but two different answers are coming in, 1 and 4 upon 49. So you can see the number of ones there. Jigyasu Gaur, okay, Jyoti Prakash Sahu, Gopi Chandu, Kandim Parekh, Princey. These are the people who have given me the answer as 1. Okay, so I think enough of waiting. I need to solve this one on the board now. Okay, now this problem involves two different operations in the numerator and two operations in the denominator. Now, what happens when we have a divide and a off, that is order, comes? Which one of them will come first? That is to be decided. We have this BOD, MAS, you all know that. So in the numerator, divide and order. So order comes first. So we have to take care of this off first. What about the denominator? This is divide and this is multiply. So what about D? Perform this operation first. Here O comes first and here D comes first. So let's perform this operation. This is 7 by 2 divide by. Now 7 by 2 of 7 by 2 is 49 by 4. And in the denominator, D divide first. So 7 by 2 divided by 7 by 2 is 1, and then multiply by 7 by 2. So this will be 7 by 2 and multiply by 7 by 2. So this will be 7 by 2 into 4. 7 by 2 gets cancelled, thereby giving you the answer 4 upon 49. So all those who have answered 1 here, including Sanjay, then Lokeshwara, Jigyasu, Jyoti Prakash, a lot of people answering 1 there. So there is something very good to learn here for all those who have answered 1. This is a very, very common question, in these quantitative aptitude exams. And 1 will be the first option there. And because most of the students, who have not be the first option there. And because most of the students, who have not studied this board mass carefully, they skip this O. They go for the brackets and then the divide, multiply, add, and subtract. But they don't know what is off. Off is a part of the order, and you have to consider that O first before carrying on with any other operation like divide, multiply, add, and subtract. So if you have learned something good today, you can give a thumbs up to the video, because only 14 video, more than 35 people watching. Okay, so let me announce the name of the people who gave me the correct answer for this one very quickly. So 4 upon 49 was the answer I was looking for, and initially I got a lot of answers as 49 by 4. Okay, so 49 by 4 is not correct, friends. It's 4 upon 49. Okay, so where is that 4 upon 49? The first exclusive 4 upon 49. I can see hundreds and of wrong answers there. So 4 upon 49 came from Suresh Babu. Very well done, Suresh Babu. Amidst all the wrong answers that were coming in front of you, you were there with the correct answer. That is what I call self-confidence. So you need to post your correct answer rather than seeing others post wrong answers. Okay, so Suresh Babu got it correct, the first person to give me that correct answer. Then Pratham Vasist, welcome Pratham, and Bhaskar Pal. Okay, some prominent names now joining in the live stream. So Pratham and Bhaskar, big thumbs up for you. And then Shweta Sangvi, well done. Viraj and Kandim Parekh. I'll announce 1 or 2 more names. Okay, Avijit Kundu, he has Jangvi, well done. Viraj and Kandim Parekh. I'll announce 1 or 2 more names. Okay, Avijit Kundu, he has joined in only today. So Princey also got it correct. See, only 8 people getting that one correct. So that is quite upsetting. These type of questions. I keep on giving these type of questions because of the new viewers who are joining in. The live stream every day. Some new people are joining in, so they must learn these things. And they should know about all these PDFs, right? Very, very nominal cost associated with these PDFs, but 13 PDFs already there, and nearly 70% of the quantitative aptitude can be covered in short tricks if you go through these PDFs. So all competitive exams are going to be very, very easy for you. Okay, so those were the 8 people who gave me the correct answer for this one. And let's have question number 4 for today. Let's see how quickly you can solve a linear equation in 2 variables. This is 7x minus 8y equal to 4 minus 11x plus 5y equal to minus 6. Okay, so you need to solve for x and y. X equal to what and y equal to what. So let's see how quick you are in solving this system of linear equations. You need to find the solution of this particular question. So as I wait for the answers to come in, 2 answers only have come up till now, and you can see that answers are same. So that's very good. Okay, the same answer coming from so many people. That's very good. So let's hope that that particular answer is correct now. Okay, so let's solve it now. Enough of waiting, and let's see the shortest possible method of solving this. So let's find the value of x first. So in finding the value of x, I always start from here. So let's cross multiply like this. So minus 8 into minus 6 minus cross multiply like this 5 into 4 upon, now start from here, go like this, minus 8 into minus 11 minus particular question or not, 8 6 is 48 and this is 20. So in the new denominator I have 88 minus 35. So this is 28 upon 53. So I think the value of x has come out as 28 upon 53 for most of you. But see how I have done it on the board, friends. That is a short trick, again the same short trick mentioned in PDF, acquiring all these PDFs, lightning quick speed of calculations. And in the meanwhile, the students will be just multiplying this by 11 and this by 7, by equating the coefficients. You will be there with the answer. That's the beauty of these PDFs which I have been promoting on these live streams, and so many of you have already procured all these PDFs. So the value of x is here. So now the value of y can be found out either through this method, or you can put the value of x in one of the equations. So you will get the value of y directly, and the value of y as told by you, minus 2 by 53. That is the correct answer for this one. So x is this and y is this. So x is this and y is this, and the yeah, Kandim, I know. Mr. Divakar is there. Yeah, appreciating Kandim there, because he knows all people who are there regularly on the channel. So Mr. Divakar has been a great supporter of the channel. Thank you, Mr. Divakar, for that. And Kandim, you're just amazing today. And I think in one of the previous live streams on algebra, there was no one to compete with you. So very, very well done. And keep rocking in other simplification problems also. I'll give you one or two simplification problems after this. So let's see whether you can get those correct or not. So Pratham Vasist, very well done, Pratham. And then Princey, and then Mishraji, and Jigyasu, and Aman. These were the top 6 people who gave me the correct answer for that particular question. Not a easy one, friend, in terms of the value. Okay. So this was the question number 4 for today. Let's have the 5th one very quickly. I'll give you a simple question of simplification, but simple only if you get the answer correct. So this is 36% of, I gave lot of questions of this kind in previous live streams. 5 minus 2 upon 3 minus 5 by 2. Okay, so this is the question now. You need to find 36% of this particular number, and I must tell you that SSC exams, you can't just skip these kind of questions. You need to be lightning quick in calculation of percentages, and PDF number 5 is for you. You can calculate all the percentages you can calculate all the percentages very, very quickly. Wait for the answers for this particular question to come. So some answers already flowing in now, but you can see the variety of answers. This is what happens in such simplification problems, 2.52, 63 by 25. Okay, 0.7. Then we have 126 by 230, 63 by 115, 63 by 25. So a lot of different answers already there on this particular question. And I expected this, simplification problems are like this only. Okay, so let's solve this one now. A lot of people have Divakar is saying 2.52 is correct. So let's see. 3 to the 6 minus 5 is 1. So this is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 goes in the numerator, it becomes 4, right? So 5 minus 4 is 1. So this entire thing vanishes and we have only 7. So now we need to find 36% of 7. 7 6 are 42, 2 4 and 25 upon 100. So your answer for the question is 2.52. And this is the reason I called this question as easy, because the calculation involved was not at all tough. But you could have given me the answer in decimals here very easily, because in the denominator we have that 100. So never mind. 2.52 was the answer I was looking for, and that answer has come very, very quickly from Princey Kulshrestha. Very, very well done, Princey, and some new names coming on the top there. And then Bhaskar Pal, always rocking, very, very well done. And then Shweta, okay, Shweta, 70. There's some error there. And 63 by 25, I think that amounts to 2.52 only. So well done, Kandim Parekh. And then Monsteroid getting it correct. And then Sumati Saha. Okay, Sumati Saha, you've been waiting for some days now. Okay, glad to see you again back on the live stream. So you got that one correct. And then Suresh Babu also getting that one correct. So Harashish Arora, I've seen you for the first time, so welcome on the channel, and you got that one spot on. Very, very well done. But try to come in top 3 or 5 names there. That will be a more testing. Okay, let's see. This is question number 6 for today. Now I'll give you a particular question, in which so many people have found a difficulty in answering this one. So the problem is again that of algebra short trick. This is question number 6 for today. So you need to solve this one quickly in order to prove that you are good at it. Okay. So the question is, you need to solve this system of linear equations. This is 31x. I'll give you large coefficients here. 57y, 150, and then 57x, 31y, 202. Okay, so let's see how you can solve this one. I want a short trick here to be used, because if you use the traditional method of equating the coefficients, this is going to be very difficult. Maths tricks Tamil. Okay, PDF rate. I think you have asked me before also. My WhatsApp number and email are mentioned here. Please send me a message on WhatsApp 9896369963 or email me at drsureshagarwal73@gmail.com. I will reply to your messages surely. And I think your channel name is Maths Tricks only. So this is a must procure PDF for you. All the PDFs you should have in your kitty, so that you can teach students these basic short tricks, and they feel comfortable in whatever calculations they do. So as I wait for some answers to come in for this one, Kandim is saying 3 and 1. Okay, never mind. Okay, some more answers coming in. Monstroid, everyone saying 3-1. Very, very good. So that's what I want. So all those who are watching the live stream for the first time, they can click the like button on the video and subscribe on the it is just underneath the video. You find that subscribe button, you can click that, and alongside that you find the bell icon. You need to add. Why? Because this is a special type of questions in which the coefficients are interchanging. 57 57, 31 31. So whenever such questions are there, just add them once and subtract them once. You will have a simpler form of the equations. So add them. This is 88, again 88, and add this will be 253, 352. And if you subtract 57 minus 31 is 20. 57 minus 31 is 26. So minus 26 plus 26, and if you subtract this will be 52. So minus 52. So now you cancel out that common factor 88 from this. You get, okay, this is y, So this is x plus y equal to 88. 4 times is exactly 352. And if you see this, 26 is cancelling in throughout the equation. So this is minus x plus y equal to minus 2. Now x cancels, 2y equal to 2, giving you y equal to 1. Now put the value of y anywhere, you will get x plus 1 equal to 4, giving you the value of x as 3. So x is 3, y is 1. Now see how much I have done on the board for getting to the solution of this particular question. This is how we need to solve these type of questions in which the coefficients are interchanged in the two equations. Now such type of equations, again, this is a short trick of solving these questions. Again, PDF number 13 that comes to your rescue. And this algebra short tricks, all short tricks of algebra, quadratic equation, linear equations, and algebraic identities, how to remember all those algebraic identities using the amazing Pascal's triangle, that is also mentioned in that particular PDF, which has been released today only. So you need to send a message on 9896369963 for getting that PDF. Okay, so that was question number 6 for today. Let's have one more question. Okay, I'll give you a problem of another simplification, and let's see how many of you can solve this one. Now this is not going to be easy, so you need to be little careful solving this. So minus 3 upon 4 minus, and let's see how many of you can solve this one. Now this is not going to be easy, so you need to be little careful solving this. So minus 3 upon 4 minus 2 upon 1 minus 3 upon 2 minus 1 by 3, 3 upon 2 minus 1 by 3, minus 4 upon 5 minus 2 upon minus 4 upon 5 minus 2 upon 3 minus 4 upon 3. Okay, so be careful, friends. This is not a easy question. One silly mistake and the question will go wrong. Okay, so minus 77 by 19, minus 364 by 247, minus 374 by 247. 3 different answers already on the top there. So obviously 2 have to be wrong, right? So that's what happens in simplification problems. Okay, minus 374 by 247, now gaining majority there. So I hope that is correct. Okay, so let's solve it now. This is 6 minus 1, 5. So 5 by 3. So I will solve this part now. 1 minus 9 by 5. This is minus 4 by 5. Let's solve this part now. 4 minus minus plus, and 2 5s are 10. 10 by 4 is 5 by 2. This is 8 plus 5, 13. So 13 by 2. So what is the simplified version of this part? So minus 3 into 2 minus 6 by 13. So this is the first part simplified. Now let's see, 9 minus 4 is 5. So 5 by 3. Simplify this part. 5 minus 6 by 5. This is 25 minus 6, 19. So 19 by 5. So minus 4 5s are 20. So 20 by 19. Now you can see that 19 and 13, they are co-prime numbers. So we just need to multiply them in order to find their LCM. So 190 plus 57 is 247. So all those who have given the denominator as 247, you can feel little relaxed now. So minus of 114 and minus of 260. So what's the answer for this particular question now? Negative of 374 by 247. Now that's the answer which I was expecting for this particular question, and that's the answer given by so many of you. And initially some wrong answers. Abhi tatha, you got that wrong, sorry for that. And then Princey, I think you mistyped that, or you made a minor error there in calculation. Minus 364 by 247 is not correct. Kandim Parek again. Okay, so what's happening? Every type of question which I'm giving this person is coming up on the top. Kandim, very, very well done. So see the number of deletions going on there. And the second person to give me the correct answer is Suresh Babu. Well done, Suresh Babu. And then Bhaskar Pal getting it correct. Then Pratham versus Bhaskar Pal have been very good on the channel. I must appreciate you. And then Princey finally getting that one correct, and followed by her Ashish Aroda. So these were the top 6 or 7 names who gave me the correct answer for that particular question. Okay, so let's have another question. This is question number 8 for today. Okay, so let's see a question of squaring, whether you can do this one easily or not. This is 243 square minus 157 square plus 85 square. Okay, now let's simplify this one, and let's see how good you are in squaring, how good you are in using short tricks here. As I welcome Afsana Gul on the channel, Surya, I, Shanti Murli, everybody has joined in, and let's hope we get correct answers for. Okay, some answers already coming in. So 41625 is the answer I'm getting. Abhi tatha 7569. Okay. Okay, now deleted. Okay. So let's see any other answer. Okay. Bhaskar Pal, you were the first one to give me that answer. Kandim Parek, Surya I, Shantanu. Okay, Shantanu, welcome on the channel. And then Brahma, welcome on the channel. Some new names there. So I hope you have subscribed the channel and you have clicked the like button on the video there. So the same answer coming from everybody. So that's very good. I think you are good in your squaring skills there. But please note how much time you have taken to answer that particular question, because that is very important. You know, anybody can do that when you are given 2 or 3 minutes to solve this question. But if you do it in 30 seconds, that is a very good speed of, you know, solving this particular type of question. So let's see the easiest possible way. So you can see that sum of these two bases, this is 400, right? So we'll go by a square minus b square. That is the easiest possible method here. So a plus b is 400 and a minus b. You need to subtract 243 and 157 there. So 13 minus 7 is 6. So 13, again 13. So 13 minus 5 is 8. So this is 86. And then 85 square, 8 into 9 is 72. So 72, 25 will be the square of 85. That is a Vedic method of squaring numbers ending with 5, mentioned in the square roots PDF number 2. So that is for you. Now just multiply this. This is 0, 0, 6 for the 24, 4, 2, so 32, 34. And then 7, 2, 2, 5 to be added to this, thereby giving us the answer 41625, and that's the answer you have obtained for this particular question, right? Very easy question, right? But note the time, friends. That is very important. Anybody can get it correct. But did you take 30 seconds for that? I'll give you one more question of this kind, and this time just tell me the timing also, in how much time you have got it. So note the time for this particular question, which I'm going to give you now. And let me announce the name of the people who got it correct. First up, Bhaskar Pal, Kandim Parekh, Surya I, Shantanu, then Brahma, and Pratham Vasisht. These were the top 6 names who gave me the correct answer for that one. So note time for the 9th question now. So that's the 9th question for today. I'll give you a question of decimals now. Be careful. 26.7 whole 26.7 whole square minus 13.3 whole square plus 12.5 whole square. Okay. So now I need the answer for this particular question. Note the time, friends. So already some answers are flowing in, and the first answer is by Princy Shrestha. And the answer is 692.25, 92.25. Okay, and the same answer coming from so many people. So I think everybody is getting that one correct. So very, very heartening to see. And I hope you have noted down the time in which you have given me that answer. And Gopinath, okay, 1756.25, slightly different from others. Anish Sharma, hello to you. And yeah, I think you've joined in late. Do join in between 8:15 and 8:30 p.m. every day for competing well and participating in all the questions. 692.25, that's the answer I'm getting. And Princey has answered that first, followed by Kandim Parekh. Kandim Parekh, I think he was there in all the questions in top 2 or 3 names today. You know, something which very less people can achieve on the channel. Vanatha, okay, 692.5. Welcome on the channel, Vanatha. And I hope we want 12 questions today. Okay, Abhitata. Okay, let's see. So the sum of these two, 39, 40, right? And what about the difference? 26.7, this is 0.4, and 6 minus 3 is 3, and 2 minus 1 is 1. So 13.4, very easy. And then 12 into, and what about the difference? 26.7, this is 0.4, and 6 minus 3 is 3, and 2 minus 1 is 1. So 13.4, very easy. And then 12 into 13, this is what we need to do, and put a 25 later on, right? 13 to the 26, 6 2, 13, 15. So 156.25. So let's multiply 134 by 4, because if you cancel this 0, this decimal will vanish. So 134 into 4 will be the product. 4 4 the 16, 6, 1, 12, 13, 3, 1. So 536. And then 156.25 to be added to this. So 0.25, then this is 2. 9 and 6. So 692.25, that's the answer which I was expecting, and you got it correct, right? The first person to give me the correct answer was, I think I've already announced, Princey Kulshrestha. Yes. Very, very well done. 2 thumbs ups for you there, because, timing matters a lot in these type of questions, And then Kandim Parekh, well done as always. And then Shantanu, you've been very good today. Then Brahma also getting it correct. Surya, Harashish Aroda, you are also very good today on the channel. So let's see the 10th question now. So another question of decimals. You need to tell me what is 54% of 296.6 plus 592.3 minus 413.9. Okay. So 54% of this particular expression. That is the 10th question for today. Let's hope we get some correct answers for this particular question. As I wait for some answers to come in. Not a tough question at all, and everybody can get this one correct. So all those who have joined in the live stream today only for the final time, let me tell you that all the PDFs are there, PDFs of short tricks, 13 different PDFs covering nearly 70% of the quantitative aptitude portion of competitive exams. And how many tricks? About 250 short tricks in those. If you master all these tricks, then no competition is difficult for you, especially RRB and SSC exams. So go for all those PDFs. My WhatsApp number is mentioned here, 9896369963, and my email ID is also mentioned here. Just send me a mail or a WhatsApp message. I'll tell you the method and what more. Very, very attractive offers on purchase of these PDFs. Very attractive indeed. Okay, so let's see the answers now. You can see 256.338, 128.25, 513 by PDFs. Very attractive indeed. Okay, so let's see the answers now. You can see 256.338, 128.25, 513 by 2. Okay, 256.5 that is. So 256.5 is gaining now majority, but 256.338 also. So some rounding off going on there, maybe. Okay, so let's see how we can solve this. So after the decimal, we have a 0.6 here, 0.3 here, and a 0.9 here. So you can just forget that digits, because 6 plus 3 is 9 and 9 minus 9 is 0. So all we have are round figure quantities now. So 6 plus 2 is 8, then 9 plus 9 is 18, 8, 1 carry means 8. So 888 is the sum of these two numbers, and we need to subtract 413 from this, 13 from this. So this will give us 5, 7, and 4. So 475. Now we need to find 54% of this. So I will not cancel this 5 with this, because is what here 54. How do we put a 0 and then use vertical and crosswise? 5 4 the 20, 0, 2 carry, 28, 30, 40, 50, 55, 5, 5 carry, 16 and 35, 51 and 5, 56, again 5, 20 and 5, 25 and 2. So here we have the product 25650, and we have 100 in the denominator. So obviously the decimal will come here, thereby giving us the answer 256.5, and that's the answer I've obtained from so many people there. But some people answering 256.338. I don't know how you got that particular answer. So let me announce the name of the people who got this one correct. Never mind. 256.5. The first person to give me the correct answer is Abhitatha Roy. Well done, Abhitatha Roy. And you were very excited in the previous question, and you got that one correct, spot on. Very, very well done. And then same answer by Surya I, but that's in fractions. Never mind. And then Surya Samala got it correct. Two Suryas getting it, in top 3 there. And then Gopinath getting it correct, followed by Princy Kulshrestha. And then we have Vanatha, yes, and then Shanti Murli. So these were the top 6 or 7 names who got the question correct. And now the final question, friends. This is on demand. Abhijatha told me 12 questions. I'll give you 11 questions today. So this is final question, and let's hope everybody gets this one correct, because this is going to be 12 questions. I'll give you 11 questions today. So this is final question, and let's hope everybody gets this one correct, because this is going to be a simple one. So all those students who are watching these kind of live streams, daily, they can solve these type of questions very easily, because they have followed the PDFs which I have bought out on the channel, and everybody is gaining that confidence which is required to clear the competitive exams. Okay, so let's see this one. 1.1 into 346.8. Okay, so let's see this one. 1.1 into 346.82 plus 346.82 plus 99.9 into 7.85. Okay, now the calculator in hand, then this will be a little difficult. So it is based on two short tricks, multiplication by 11 and multiplication by 999. So if you know those two short tricks, this is going to be very easy. But if you don't know the short tricks, then you will be resorting to the calculator strategy there. Understandably so, because if you know the short trick, then only you can solve it easily. So Princey coming up with the first answer, 1165.827. Okay, let's see what others have to say. 1165.695 by Bhaskar Pal. Already difference of opinion there in the top two answers. Okay, now 1165.717. Three different answers already. Some deletions also going on there. Now 1165.717 is gaining majority, and now Monsteroid is saying 818.682. Okay, another different answer. So 4 or 5 different answers already for this particular question, but I can see the prominent answer, 1165.717. That's the answer I'm getting. So I'll solve it on the board very quickly for you, because we don't have time. 1 hour live stream is going to get over, and let's see how we multiply a number by 11 first. We'll take care of the decimal later on. So start from unit digit 2. 2 plus 8 is 10, 0, 1 carry. 8 plus 6 is 14 plus 1, 15, 5, 1 carry. 4 plus 6 is 10 plus 1, 11, 1, 1 carry. 4 plus 3 is 7 plus 1, 8. And finally, this is 3. So this is the product of 346, 82 and 11. 346, 82 and 11. Now, let's put the decimal here. The decimal is 3 digits from the right hand side, because we have 2 digits and 1 digit. So 3 digits mean 381.502. And now let's have the second part, multiplication by 999. So we'll add this, right? So 785 becomes 784, because it is multiplication by 999. So we have to reduce this number by 1. So 785 becomes 784. And then 9 minus 7 is 2, 9 minus 8 is 1, and 10 minus 5 is 5. So we have the product of 999 and 785 as 784,215. Now again put the decimal. We have a decimal here after 3 digits. So just write them one below the other. 784.215 will be here. So this is 717. I think that's the prominent answer which I was getting for this particular question, and so many people have answered that one correctly, but so many wrong answers also. So everybody who has answered wrongly, they can cancel their answers, they can delete their answers now. 1165.717, that's the answer I was expecting for this final question for today. And the first correct answer, 1165.717, has come from, okay, initially a lot of wrong answers, so I need to find out the first correct answer. It's Surya I. Very well done, Surya. 1165 point. Finally somebody else getting it on the top there. Very well done, Surya I. Then Gopinath, well done. Pratham Vasist, and then Royal Rishabh. I've seen you only in this question. Maybe you were just watching carefully there. Okay, Royal Rishabh got it correct, and then Surya Samala, well done, and Vanitha also got it correct after that, and Shanti Murli also. So those are the prominent names who gave me the correct answer for this final question for today, friends. I hope you have enjoyed the live stream today. Very less number of participants, 20-30 participants is not done, friends. You need to invite more people on the live streams. Never mind, let the exams get over. Maybe the students will join in numbers after that. So Dr. Suresh Agarwal signing off for this particular live stream today. Do join me tomorrow 8:15 p.m. for one more live stream of simplification problems. Till then, it's good night and stay for one more live stream of simplification problems. Till then, it's good night and stay blessed, everyone.